play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So in today's 5-minute video, I'm going to be showing you my derby hairstyle. And it's just a simple ponytail that I got from Temu for $8. So instead of me talking about it, how about I show you this ponytail? So let me give you guys the details on this. So I ended up getting a kinky curl ponytail, and let me give you the details. It has 2 combs inside and an adjustable string. This is most definitely a natural ponytail. It matches my natural hair and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So enough talking, let's go ahead and let's style this ponytail.
Straight up.
And that is it. A simple hairstyle for a ponytail. If you can slick your hair back in a ponytail, you most definitely can do this hairstyle. You guys, I really thought this was going to be my derby hairstyle, but unfortunately it wasn't. So let me change this up and put a V-part wig in here. Honey, I put this in here and I pinned it up, and this is what I got. A derby hairstyle with my hat. Baby, you can't tell me nothing. Of course you know you can't tell me nothing, because baby, I was that girl. I placed me some bets in for some horses and I won a little bit. Anyway, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.